First, the top stories. Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren launches CM Da Haisi web portal. Custom Department of Manipur seized a huge consignment of gold. Funeral of Queen Elizabeth II begins at Westminster's Abbey. India records 4,858 fresh COVID cases along with 18 fatalities in the past 24 hours. Hello, good evening. Welcome to PONYTV English News. This is Maria giving you the news in detail. Chief Minister N. Biren Singh launched CM Da Haisi web portal at the Chief Minister's Secretariat today. The launching program was attended by Power Minister Tongam Biswajit, Rural Development and Panchayati Raj Minister WANGKHEMCHA, Works Minister Govindas Konthozam, Textiles, Commerce and Industries Minister Nemcha Kipgen, Water Resources Minister Awangbo Nyumai, Health Minister Dr. Sapam Ranjan, CAF and PD Minister El Susindro, Social Welfare Minister Hekam Dingo, Transport Minister Kashim Basum, Chief Secretary Dr. Rajesh Kumar, Administrative Secretaries and other government officials among others. The web portal has been developed to receive complaints and grievances from the general public. Public can raise their grievances in the web portal by logging on to www.cmdahaisi.mn.gov.in, and the complainants can also check the status of their complaints. The Public Grievances Redressal and Anti-Corruption Cell will use the portal to liaise with the concerned department to redress the grievances of the public within a stipulated time and also to provide the actionable complaints to the State Vigilance and Anti-Corruption Department for further inquiry and investigation. Speaking on the occasion, N. Biren Singh stated that gaining public trust and confidence is very important to run a government and to take up various development works. As such, all the government officials should perform their duties dedicatedly and with transparency, as transparency follows development, he added. Mentioning that corruption is the main concern which hinders the development of the state, he continued that the web portal had been launched with the objective to totally root out corruption from public offices and enhance public service delivery in the state. Expressing satisfaction on certain feedback given by the public regarding effective redressal of their grievances through CM Da Haisi platform, the Chief Minister stated that the CM Da Haisi had become an effective platform for rooting out corruption from the state. DM College of Arts students locked the administration block and main gate of the college today at around 11 in the morning, protesting against the transfer of teachers. Later, the college road was blocked, preventing the Vice Chancellor of DM University from entering the building and forcing him to return. Speaking on the matter, a BA 5th semester students in the college, Umar MK, stated that the students of the college condemned Samshan Sitlo transfer to CI College Bisnupur. He was an assistant professor of history at Nambol El Sanoy College before working as a deputation professor at DM College of Arts in 2019. He continued that they will continue their protest until the stay order is revoked, as there is currently a faculty shortage in the college, and urged the state government to fulfill their demand in order to stop from occurring any further agitation. During the protest, the student protesters carried the placards that read, "Teachers can't be transferred without valid reason. We don't want violence. Send required teachers. Save students' life."
Khuding mata oza walaga lei hai ta sam oza ama khaktang da transfer tawagi wani nongala kanda atopo oza ama toroi haningai su leite hai tare sumaina sum oza ama nongmagi oza ama muk transfer torokpa nongmana ama muk torokpa walega leibana maram ore kanda awat awat pa oza singa dona chat krakanda kanana akhoi takpi ga doino tambi ga doino haise akhoi wahang amuk khak oirak panina akhoi punna sidi apun bagi oina torokpo oina laura kanda akhoi pulap transfer torokpa haibase akhoi na sarkar ki transfer policy ki matung ina tawdi oirangane dubu hojik leiriba DMU ki phibam sida maram cha da transfer ma oibena akhoi na kapi o haijabani sida akhoi ihau pamagi nate akhoi de larik tamjage haibani larik tam halu haijabani larik tamnabagi damakta oza wali base hachan biu oza walaga leibani na oza transfer tawbigano haija
Shiv Sena Manipur State Unit President M. Tombi stated that the party will always support the state's development and urged MLAs and department to act morally. Speaking to the media at the press conference held at Shiv Sena office in Babupura today, he further urged the MLAs to avoid including non-residents on the voter list and announced that he will depart Imphal for Delhi today to attend the Shiv Sena National Executive Council meeting that will be held on September 20, where he will discuss the official support to the state government by the Shiv Sena Manipur State Unit. He claimed that there has always been in cordial relations between the BJP-led Manipur government and the Shiv Sena. The party has supported the Manipur Chief Minister's war against drugs, and Shiv Sena youth will also support BJYM in getting rid of drugs from Manipur, he added. During the occasion, President of Shiv Sena Patsoy L. Dilip Kumar, Shiv Sena Youth General Secretary Jitin Moirangthem, and Youth Executive Member N. Meghajit were also felicitated.
Party indigenous people nataba aduga akoi mapan gi akoi voter list happa yadaba adugumba karigumba hapsan biba karigumba adugumba tawida naba aduga lona akoi voter list sibu ikhatpiriba akoi election commission ki miyosinasu hotel da phammaga madugi akoi survey tawu nataba yumdong khuding da sangaga Ujik aina khanja bada khoi Irilbung muktada akoi ki mau hanak mayum palakpa adagi somdi ki pandu mayam se min chandaba electoral roll da chandaba mayam yawe masima ai election commission da nasigi khoi mifam siga sigi tanja si lawjuraga aina appeal tawjabani lo
Standard Public School in Sagolban Tagyalpat celebrated its Golden Jubilee today, and as a part of the celebration, the school's successful candidates in the High School Leaving Certificate Examination 2022 were also honored with awards. The event was attended by Standard Public School's Principal Laisram Rajesh, High Court of Manipur's Advocate Chongtham Momon, Assistant Professor of Department of Chemistry Oriental College Dr. Moirangthem Phalguni, Social Scientist Danabir Laisram, President of CRAU Fairojam Bimol, Pandam Editor Namoijam Tomba Mite, and President of All Manipur Recognized Private School Welfare Association Kuraizam Doren Kanganba. Addressing at the event, the school's principal Laisram Rajesh said that it is a moment of pride for the school as the school is enabled to produce high caliber students because of the dedication of the teachers. He continued that every student's achievements in their life is a success for the faculty in the school, and the school will work to generate more high-caliber students in the upcoming academic year. A team of Kakching District Police Commando led by Inspector Muhammad Abbas Khan had recovered 3 stolen 2-wheeler vehicles from a residence at Sora Awang Lekai yesterday. According to a police report on a specific information, a team of Kakching Police Commando led by Inspector Muhammad Abbas Khan conducted search operation at the residence of Muhammad Ajad Khan, aged 25, son of Muhammad Amjad Ali of Sora Awang Lekai, where 3 2-wheeler vehicles was found hidden in suspicious manner. The seized vehicle are one red Royal Enfield Classic 350 bearing registration number DL4SDM 5923, one black Royal Enfield Meteor 350 without registration number, and one black KTM Duke bearing registration number AS03AD0473. On further investigation, Muhammad Azad Khan stated that one black Royal Enfield Meteor 350 was brought by Muhammad Anis Khan, 22, son of Muhammad Anwar Khan of Mori Ward number 5, Sorachingyaligay. Immediately, the team rushed to the said area and managed to arrest Muhammad Anish Khan. He admitted that the motorcycle was handed over to him by one boboy of Lilong to sell to a buyer at More. The arrested persons along with recovered vehicles were handed over to Kakching police station for further necessary legal action. Now let's have a short break. Keep watching for more updates.
DS Enterprises Kasamthongna organized over Manga Suba Langbal Kaikil. Lakadoriba September gi tang taraga tukagi October gi tang taraga ni thoi phawma Palace Compound leiba apta kangjebung da pangthok sarga.
Langbal Kaikil asida Manipur da leiba furup khudingmakki cultural item amadi store sin thongbidani.
Mangarak suba Langbal Kaikil asida national amadi international gi oiba store chama hena saruk yagadori.
Nipal Tangana Pangthokpa festival amani. Festival asida gambling item amati yawjaroi handloom handicraft amadi disabled singi oina Soul 20 khudongtawa thamjai.
Tongan musical event rock show Manipuri matam isai loinana with the star dance competition amadi fashion event kaya su Langbal Kaikil ubok khongbigani.
Please come and enjoy at Langbal Kaikil.
Please come and enjoy at Langbal Kaikil.
Welcome back. The Lightning Drugs of Alcohol Drugs De-Addiction and Rehabilitation Center was inaugurated by Duigailong Baptist Church Pastor Dr. Dimonang Gonmay today at Duigailong Village, Tamenglong. The Lightning Drugs and Alcohol Drugs De-Addiction and Rehabilitation Center is an NGO run under the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. During the inaugural function, Rehab Center Project Director Titus Gangmay requested the general public to give moral support to this center. It also has experienced rehab counselor and staff, he added. Jalangrong Baptist Church's Council Notice India JBCCNEI President Namray Q Pame appreciated for setting up the rehabilitation center in Tamenglong, which is the need of the hour. He assured that the churches of Tamenglong will give fullest support to this rehab center and believes the center will save many youth lives in the days to come. A team of Irilbung police station arrested a drug peddler along with 8 grams of heroin from Kaiku Kabuy Kulged. According to a report, a team of Irilbung police arrested one person while frisking and checking at Kaiku Kabuy Kulged area. The arrested person were identified as Muhammad Imtiaz Khan, 31, son of late Muhammad Abdul Salam of Kaiku Awang Lekay. 8 grams of heroin containing in 24 plastic vials were seized from his possession. A case has been registered for further investigation. The Progressive Meitei Pangal Society PMPS Jiribam was disbanded yesterday during a meeting held in Islamabad Community Hall Jiribam, and a new executive body was formed. The press release stated that the attendees present in the meeting unanimously resolved to reform the new executive body of the association under the chairmanship of MS Jaman, ex-chairman of PMPS. The newly elected executive with its portfolios are Muhammad Jalaluddin as the chairman, Muhammad Nurina Begum and Aziz Haider as vice chairman, Abdul Salam Mojing Mayum as a general secretary, Rajauddin Babul and Liaquat Nongjai as a secretary, and Abdul Khan as a cashier. Britain's longest-serving monarch's Queen Elizabeth II funeral has begun at the Westminster's Abbey in London today. King Charles and other senior British royals followed Queen Elizabeth's coffin into Westminster's Abbey, joining world leaders including India's President Draupadi Murmu and monarchs to bid farewell to a beloved figure who unified the nation through her 70-year reign. Inside the Abbey, lines of scripture were said to music that has been used at every state funeral since the early 18th century, and 2-minute silence was observed throughout the UK. The Queen's state funeral service was ended with the song God Save the King. India recorded a total of 4,858 fresh COVID cases along with 18 fatalities due to the infection in the past 24 hours, bringing the country's overall COVID tally to 4,45,39,046. According to the data shared by the Union Health Ministry, 4,735 has been recovered in the last 24 hours in India. The total death toll in India stands at 5,28,355. Out of 18 fatalities, 8 were from Kerala, 3 from Maharashtra, 2 from Karnataka, and 1 is from Chhattisgarh, Delhi, Meghalaya, Uttarakhand, and West Bengal. Taking the daily positivity rate at 1.96%, the total active cases has declined to 48,027 in the country. The recovery rate is recorded at 98.71% as per the data. According to the Health Ministry, 216.70 crore doses of COVID-19 vaccine have been administered in the country so far under the nationwide vaccination drive. Before we wrap up the news, the top stories once again. Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren launches CM Da Haisi web portal. Custom Department of Manipur seized a huge consignment of gold. Funeral of Queen Elizabeth II begins at Westminster's Abbey. India records 4,858 fresh COVID cases along with 18 fatalities in the past 24 hours. Thank you for watching PONYTV English News. Keep watching for more updates.